Cheers, y'all. It's been a while. This is TripleChip, and this is the Adventures blog. I didn't know which one to put it on because I got 4 different channels. And I thought, well, this is kind of it's not an actual food product, but lately with the slicer, it's been getting kind of tacky. See how it doesn't, the carriage where you put your meat on here for the slice, it's getting very sticky. See how it won't slide? So what I got on Amazon, you can get this for this $24.27. I'll just take one of these out of here and show you guys. What this stuff is, you get 2 of this. It's probably be good for the rest of your life. You want to make sure you wear some gloves because this is already even greasy, but it is Sanitary petrol-gel lubricant. Absolutely tasteless, odorless. It's got a high melting point, will not taint when coming into contact with food products, impervious to water, so it's going to have like a bead on it. And I don't know why this is like really greasy. I'll just get a couple of things. I'll just wipe this off. It's like super oily. But if you do get some of this on your food, it's completely food safe. So what I'm going to do with this, it's just a mess. So that equals out to roughly about $12, a little over $12 a tube. So we're just going to put some on the glide here. Then this should effortlessly move back and forth. And then what we're going to do after, I got this unplugged. We're going to release the carrier on this. I'm going to take the blade off. Be very careful because these are very sharp. Just pull that off. Then we're just going to put some on the back of the gear here, so probably could use a little bit of lubing, but we'll just do the rail first. I'll just grab that later. So these are completely sealed. You're just going to use the top of the cap to pop that. Okay, we got it pretty well popped. I'm just simply going to put some on this paper towel here. It should work fine. Just use a little bit of first because I've never used this before. We're simply just going to put it on the glide here and just lather this all up. Get it all nice and greasy. Actually, I'll just put some on with my hand. Might work even easier. You can always wash it after. So. Lube this all up really good. And then it's going to move it. Oh. Just the one piece fell off, no big deal. I'll put some more on for now. I'll just grab that after and get this done first. Let's get that all nice and lubricated up. Put that back down. You just want to work that back and forth a few times. It's already, I can feel that it's not so much tensioned anymore. It's starting to get inside that, right underneath the bottom on the carrier here. So look how effortlessly that's sliding now. There's no, where it's just kind of going like this for me, so that should be good for that. Don't worry about this. That you don't want to wipe that off because then you're going to lose this slickness like this. So what we're going to do next, just actually take this foot off. So I get a nice amount on your finger there. I'm just gonna rub it around the back here. Get it in all these grooves here. That should be enough, because once it gets in that gear, it's just gonna spread this. But I'll just make sure I put a little bit more on this, just because I think I should. There we go. So now we put this back on. Let's move this out of the way. And you just simply snap that down. That's in place. I'll just be back to you in a minute. I just gotta wash my hands because they're really greasy, and I'll show you this working. And we're back. Got the hands all, got that stuff off there. Just had to use some Dawn on there. Just had to get that oil off. It's really greasy. So that is the Sanitary petrol-gel lubricant. You can just get that on Amazon.ca. $24.27, I believe it was. This is gonna last, man. This will be around longer than I am. Look, that thing's barely even squeezed. You see how effortlessly now it just glides on here. Look at that. No hesitation at all. We'll just show you some blade action here now. I got it plugged back in. So if you got a food slicer at home and it's giving you trouble, it just isn't sliding on you, and it just seems to be like this was before. Now it's just, as I keep using it, it's going to get better and better. The oil just keep working its way inside this chamber. So until next time, this has been TripleChip. You have yourself a great 2021. Vlog is over. Catch you in the next one.